Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. Today I'm with two job and one internship updates. I hope you are doing great. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for latest updates. So starting with the first job update, Deloitte is offering business analyst role for freshers, and the skills required is that you must have good written and oral communication skills. BTech, BE, BCA, BSc Computer Science from 2020 to 2022 batch pass out. Okay, uh, you can apply. I will provide the link in the description. And the second update is from Optum for software engineer role. Location is in Noida, UP, and these are the key skills that you must have. Okay, and the third update is of an internship, and it is provided by Motorola Solutions. The role is for internship trainee, and the location is in Bangalore, India. And these are the key skills that you must have to apply for this internship. All the links will be provided in the description. So if you are eligible, then please go and apply. And if you have any query, comment down. I will reply to your query. Also, please do follow our LinkedIn page for more updates. I post regularly about jobs and internships, so you can apply directly from them. And if you had any query, you can comment anytime. So, thank you. Bye.